Two-step equations involving fractions. My first step is that I'm going to isolate the variable. I'm going to draw a circle around my variable, and I like to draw little shreks around my variable, which reminds me that I need to get my variable alone. My next step is I'm going to draw a line down through the equal sign. That kind of splits up my equation and reminds me that whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other. So now, my next step is to look for addition or subtraction. I see some subtraction happening between the 3/4 x and this 1 here, or we can call it -1. So I'm going to do the inverse operation of subtraction, which is addition. When I combine -1 and +1, it cancels out to 0. Whatever I do on this side, I'm also going to do on this side. So now I'm going to rewrite my problem. I have 3/4 x is equal to 1 1/2. Now, since my variable and my fraction are standing right next to each other, I know that that means multiplication. So I have to do the inverse operation to each side, which is divide. I'm going to divide 3/4 on this side, and when I divide, I'm going to flip it. 3/4 fits into 3/4 one time, which will give me 1x. I don't need to write 1x, I just write x. Now I'm going to divide on this side also, but before I divide this mixed number and fraction, I'm going to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. So 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 more